Can turmeric actually help with nerve pain? Nerve pain, or neuropathic pain, can be sharp, burning, or tingling. Conventional medications sometimes fail to provide relief. Many people turn to natural remedies, and turmeric is one spice that has gained attention. Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. But can turmeric actually help with nerve pain? Curcumin, the active ingredient. Turmeric contains curcumin, a powerful compound with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Chronic inflammation can worsen nerve pain, and curcumin may help by reducing inflammation and protecting nerve cells. Evidence from studies, animal studies show that curcumin can reduce symptoms of nerve pain, such as sensitivity to heat or touch. It works by decreasing inflammatory molecules in the body. Human studies are limited but promising, particularly when curcumin is combined with compounds like piperine to improve absorption. Practical use: turmeric is available as powder, capsules, or extracts. For nerve pain, high bioavailability curcumin supplements are often more effective than cooking spice alone. It should be used as a complement to, not a replacement for, conventional treatments. Always consult a doctor before starting supplements. Benefits and limitations: turmeric may help reduce pain, improve nerve function, and lower inflammation. However, results vary, and more clinical studies are needed to confirm its effectiveness in humans. So, can turmeric actually help with nerve pain? Evidence suggests it has potential, especially as part of a comprehensive approach. Curcumin's anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects make turmeric a promising natural option, though professional guidance is essential for safe and effective use. Struggling with nerve discomfort that just won't go away? Looking for fast, natural relief from nerve discomfort? Discover the solution trusted by thousands. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.